Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study effectively online. First, create a dedicated study environment. This means finding a quiet space where you can concentrate without interruptions. Make sure your internet connection is strong and reliable, as this is crucial for accessing online resources. Before you begin, gather all your materials such as notes, textbooks, and any required software. Setting clear goals for each session will help you stay on track. To truly engage with your online courses, active participation is key. Don't just passively watch lectures. Contribute to discussions and collaborate with peers. Taking thorough notes and rephrasing information helps solidify your understanding. Make the most of any interactive elements, like practice quizzes or simulations, to test your knowledge. Breaking down big tasks into smaller steps makes them less daunting and easier to complete. Effective time management is vital for online learning. Develop a consistent study schedule and commit to it daily. Consider using techniques like the Pomodoro method, studying for 25 minutes followed by a 5-minute break. After about 2 hours, take a longer break of around 30 minutes to recharge. It's important to focus on one task at a time. Avoid multitasking to maintain high concentration levels. Don't hesitate to seek help when you need it. Your instructors and teaching assistants are valuable resources for questions and support. Forming online study groups can provide a collaborative environment for discussing concepts and preparing for assessments. Consistent review of previously covered material is crucial for long-term retention. Remember to prioritize your well-being with sufficient sleep and a balanced diet to sustain your learning efforts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.